In the previous two videos, I've been talking about how electric motors work. And I want to show you my favorite, simplest, coolest motor. It's called the homopolar motor. Okay, so I'm going to build it right here. So I have here a D-cell battery and a strong neodymium magnet with a iron and steel, a steel nail attached to it. So I'm going to put that right here. So the magnet magnetizes the nail so that it sticks to this battery right there. Now I'm going to run an electric current from the top of the battery to the side of the magnet, and the magnet is conducting. There's tape on there because that's my north pole, it doesn't really matter. And then it's going to go up the nail, which also conducts and makes a complete circuit. So let's watch this. Hold this right here, and I'm going to touch that to the side. And then it spins really well because there's low friction because it's just hanging from that right there. So that's your homopolar motor. You do need a strong magnet. Now there are other versions where you have a weak magnet and you make the wire spin, but this one's just cooler. And you can get it going really fast, but don't, because things can get a little out of hand. So how does it work? Let me show you a quick diagram of how this works. So I have here my battery. The current comes out of here and it touches the side of the magnet, then it runs along the outside of the magnet, and the magic happens on the top. When the current goes across the top of the magnet to this nail in the middle, the magnetic field is this way, the current is that way, and that exerts a torque on that current that pushes the current, which pulls the magnet with it and makes it turn. So you don't have to switch directions of the current like you do with the DC motor and the commutator. It just keeps spinning on its own. So that's kind of cool. And this is actually the first kind of electric motor. They did it with, I think, liquid mercury as the point of contact. And they didn't use neodymium magnets. But there you go, homopolar motor. If you have one of those magnets, make one. This is really fun. Be careful, the wire does get hot after a while. So just if it's hot, let go.